In this video, I will share with you how to post-process this photo. So this is the original photo. I took it with very nice light, you see? Rays are very impressive. The subject's face is very sharp. So I just need to deal with the color. So I think this photo is a bit yellowish. Its skin is a bit opaque. Then I will lose the white balance again. First I will go to color cast. And I lost white balance. Then my 4-step formula is always the subject first. Before, after, I find the photo much more impressive. The second thing is that I will reduce the shadow for the photo. That's when I saw the photo pop up. This one is a bit too sharp, I will reduce it a bit. I only reduced a little, 50%. Here I see before. After, the picture is clearer. The third one, I want the subject's leg to be a little longer. To make the subject more impressive, I will pull this photo up. And I pulled my leg out. Overall, I think the subject is quite thin, and I don't need to do much adjustment. Okay, now I'm going to lighten my skin a bit. I brighten my skin. Next is the color correction for this photo. If I want this image to be sharper, then I will add contrast to the image. There you see contrast. More blocky. Now this color I doesn't like, orange. Those of you who want it to return more impressive colors, then I will go to a brush. Called a color. Let's get rid of the color, now I will scan. You see now it's lost its color. With this part, I have to zoom in on myself to scan. Because I won't sweep over the subject, it will make the subject pale. Then I scan the scene. Part of the dress. You can see that the color of the photo becomes impressive. If a part of the scan is sticky, I return it and I rescan the skin. Done. Reverse the mask, mask the lights above. If the scan shows any color, I will remove it. Then you see. Before, after. This is a color correction, I just need to adjust the parameters of the surrounding colors. Then I will change the nature of my photo. Then you see with just a few simple steps. Before, after. Now to the part where I sharpen the image, I can add the detail of the image here. That's more detailed. The subject I doesn't want too much, because it will irritate the subject. So I will fall. I reset brush again, I choose 50% opacity. I finished scanning my subject. Then you see that the subject only affects 50%. And the scene it will be sharper, more detailed. Before, after, you see when the image is sharp, it has more depth. Then next, you can block these parts to light up. By doing this, merge the layer. I'm dodge, I put on these jewels. Let it light up. I can choose brush, plus contrast. Brush, plus detail. To sharpen these material details. Before, after. Here it stands out. Well, with the fact that I have a good photo, I edit it very quickly. Then you can also add smoke to the front part of this photo, by choosing smoke. I choose one of the following types of smoke. Then I add it to the front. I add it here. So if you want this smoke color, like this smoke color. To make it more realistic, this color is similar to this color, I will choose brush color. Done. Then you press Option or Alt, I choose the color here. And I scanned in. Then this smoke will have color. Do you see? That's the same color as the back. It's the same, then this is me just sweeping on the smoke color. So at this moment, I just leaving. Okay, and here I will remove this border. That you see? And now I adds another smoke. I remember putting it on the upper layer. I will smoke and I choose another smoke here. Then you see it continues like that. I still chooses the brush color, choose the color above. And scan in. Your smoke, its smoke will be the same color. And now on this layer, this smoke, I will erase the border. You see when you remove the border, here. Then here I will show you before, after. Before, after. Do you see? The smoke is very real, not fake. Then the addition of this smoke depends on your preferences. Then you can add or not add. Then I came here and I finished the photo. I edited this photo very quickly, very easily.